Forging a Branch, Part 4, by Bruce Gerald. Here is the forging after Part 3. It has a growth node that splits into two arms. The seam is at the back. In the sequence that follows, the base of the arms is enfolded into the growth node. The flange of a node is forged into a flat shelf. Any irregularities should be smoothed at the stage. Here you can see that a shelf has formed. The end of the arms is tapped gently into the node. Hammering the shelf before unfolding makes this step more predictable. The tip should be kept cool. Here you can see that the base has been folded into the node. Here is the final unfolded branch base. Once the diameters are matched, branches can be welded together. Here are the final branches welded together. Several branches can be welded together to make a long stem with branches coming off it. Branches can also be forged with no growth node. This final, very elegant, bulbous branching element requires one change in the initial forging shown in Part 1. A bulge is forged into the initial forging. The grooves are ready to be split and the arms enfolded into the base. This shows the final bulbous branch. Branching elements can be used as a stem for nice sculptures.